So iOS 26 is not available for phone. This is my iPhone 11. I already use iOS 26 and this phone is 18.1. So how to download iOS 26 or any iPhone? Simply open up your Safari or any browser, go to Apple Developer and press on this two dotted line, go to accounts, and then you have to log into with your Apple ID. Let's log into with Apple ID first. So once done, then you can see this kind of interface. Press on enroll now. I already complete this process, and now go back to your setting, then go to the general software update, and then you can see the beta update available here. Press on beta update, then select iOS 26 developer beta. Once update, then go back, then you can see it's available. My space is not enough to complete this process. I need at least 22.12 GB available. So once space is free, just press on install, then your iOS 26 will be installed like this phone. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and to subscribe. Have a good day.